हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 10th का चैप्टर 6 बायोलॉजी पोर्शन लाइफ प्रोसेस. सो लाइफ प्रोसेस दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू स्टडी द वेरियस एक्टिविटीज इन दिस चैप्टर रिलेटेड टू लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म like digestion, circulation, respiration, excretion, and growth, development, reproduction. So all these activities are performed by the living organism, and that activities are called the life process. So what we will see in this chapter, what topics we are going to see? We are going to see the nutrition, that is our the first topic, nutrition. And we are going to see the digestive system, and that digestive system, that means related to digestion, and circulatory system related to our heart, arteries, veins, blood. Another system is respiratory system related to our oxygen supply, our lungs, bronchi, trachea, and excretory system related to our kidney, urine formation, nephron. So these four systems we will study. The human systems we will study. We are going to study the human systems. Okay, the human digestive system, human circulatory system, respiratory system, and excretory system. And we will see the nutrition, that is how the organism produces food, how the organism getting food in this system. So in this topic nutrition, we will see the all types of nutrition, and after that we will study that systems in human. So we will see the human digestive system, and all the system we will see the human system related to human. Now in your 10th class we will see the another some of more systems like nervous system, endocrine system, and reproductive system. So these system we will see in our next chapters. So in the chapter 6 life process, we have only four systems, फोर ह्यूमन सिस्टम्स. सो इस चैप्टर में हम केवल इतना ही पढ़ने वाले हैं, दे 4 चैप्टर्स.